Welcome to the PFD Performance YouTube channel. Pretty friggin' deadly.
All right, we're here with day 2 and we're losing axles. Oh, hopefully that's the worst of it.
Why did you say that while I'm going to do this?
Day 2 might be starting off spicy. Yeah, we got in late last night. We got the new video up and it was bedtime after a couple beers in the parking lot. Danny's just cleaning up. I think the diff might have been a little over full, but through a little bit of driving, it just found its happy level. Really hadn't been driven on the highway, so I think it might have just frothed its way out. We already got the wheels swapped over on this. Tech lane is over there. And I don't know, there's a risk of thunder showers before noon. It's a little cloudy. I'm just gonna cross our fingers. But yeah, that's it for getting ready. We'll maybe try and catch a couple of the fast passes, get some footage of that, and see when we finally get to run.
Okay, Saskatchewan, day 2, first run, probably the only run. Up my shift, and my shift light's set up weird, so I don't know what made it move, but it threw me off. $179. Still ran a 915, which is really good for basically short shifting both gears. Car felt good. Seen a lot of guys struggling for grip in the car hooks. We dropped the tire pressure a little bit, so that was clearly beneficial. And I think it's lunchtime and then hit the road today.
Guess again, checkers.
Okay, pass number 2. Fix my driver error. Oh, I'm racing Ramsay. I think I went a little too fast.
We made Danny's car over a half a second faster just from basic tuning, which is hilarious. That floats.
All right, we're here at a gas station, Kendersley, Saskatchewan. It's raining, but as you might have seen, maybe that's not a bad thing, because it might help with some of this. And then maybe we don't need to go to as much of a car wash. But yeah, drive's going pretty good. It's kind of nice being able to just follow our route. Got some other Mayhemers with us. That thing's rowdy. But yeah, this rain might even be like, what, borderline refreshing?
Yeah, we had a real hot day on the track. Got up to about 31, 32, no wind, no clouds, and we were sweating our bags off, so this is nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice change of pace.
Oh, Danny's just coming in from the little boys' room. Is this like borderline free car wash with bugs?
It's like, this one's a free car wash on the inside, so I'm not too stoked about it.
Is it leak?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Here and there. A little bit in the trunk.
Well,
On this side.
I mean, the seal's not great.
No.
I mean, there's a little hole.
There's like a good 80% seal there.
As long as we
And only 60% of that clips on good.
as long as we stay moving, we're okay.
Totally. But I think, I don't know. There's a Dairy Queen over there that might have our name on it. Nothing else is really jumping out at me, but I think we're gonna jam something in us right now. It's supper time, 20 to 6. But yeah, we've been editing on the road, so that's kind of helpful. I'm
Nice.
edited up till this point right now, so
Nice.
we can toss this on there and then do another maybe final recap once we get to the hat. And yeah, all will be good. Fingers crossed, knock on wood.
Not doing it.
The road's perfectly smooth. I was trying to get a clip of Danny, but it's too bouncy.
Steering's a little loose. Ah! Alignment's off too.
Well, I think we're a little over an hour better than we were last night, so that's progress. It does seem like maybe the tire got a little bit more rub than we thought on Danny's car.
Yeah, I got one little gouge, but it's not the end of the world.
Yeah, check out our Instagram. We did a live stream of some premium, I think is the word we should use, bodywork.
And if
on
you
that.
didn't see it from yesterday, we'll probably do it again tomorrow on the other side.
Pretty much exactly. Yeah, drive was good. We kind of forgot that 21 might have had a few bumps.
I had all kinds of... Oh, I was thinking about it on the way over here. If that truck's old and was on its way out, that highway would have totally...
It would have cooked it for sure.
blown it.
So
Malibu's sitting a little funky.
only intermittently. So I'm guessing maybe just like the rebound valving is
Yeah.
iffy.
I'm gonna go give her a shake test and see how bouncy she is, and that'll kind of determine the
Yeah.
next move.
So
can reach bottom.
yeah, a guy can dream.
Hey, that's illegal.
But yeah, we were looking at maybe some air shocks, but they're hard to find. But maybe we could even just find some factory replacements.
Yeah.
And,
Better
And
than
if
nothing.
there's just a generic, like, two-way,
yeah,
that would help.
totally.
So, Princess Auto is like stumbling distance. Unfortunately, they're closed.
Yeah.
And I'm not stumbling yet.
Yeah.
So,
But I think that's gonna do it for tonight. We'll probably finish up this video, fire her up into the satellites, and then go visit with some mommers in the parking lot. So yeah, everyone, stay deadly, and we'll catch you tomorrow.